When we decided to start this company, we wanted to stay diversified. And so we built a lot of parts for the sporting good industry, archery, golf. We do a lot of firearm parts. Have an industrial division that we make parts for hydraulic cylinders and a lot of seals. We have a beverage side where we make replacement parts for all the beverage companies for the machinery that fills the can and the bottle. And so, between all those sectors, we can kind of keep our business level. Customer base is interesting. We started this business. I still have the very first customer that ever did anything with me in the garage is still a customer today, 35 years later. My dad taught me when I was young. I grew up in a family business, and my dad taught me that all we sell is service. It doesn't matter what you're doing. You're selling your service and your knowledge, and if you don't do it, somebody else will take care of your customer for you. Program that we've done with FCS and with Maruka really started because I have an offshore operation too in China. And in 2014-15, we decided we were going to start bringing everything back home. In 2000, I had no injection molding machines here anymore. I'd sold everything off, including this building that we're sitting in. In 2014, we made a conscious decision that things were changing. We needed to start bringing stuff back. So when we made that decision, it was right around an NPE time. As I recall, I went to NPE, and Maruka, or FCS sales rep, caught me in the aisle and took me over to the booth. And I looked at the FCS machinery. I was impressed by the control, and we're going back before Kiba controllers, right? I mean, we're going way back. I was impressed with the control and how easy it was to work with. But it was a hard decision, right? If we were going to go with a offshore brand machine, how was I going to get service? And that was because I had bought Toyos from Maruka and had the Maruka service guys in. I knew that I was going to get the service. That was the hinging point besides making that decision to go to FCS. Now FCS stands on their own. In my mind, my machinery is good. Things are working. We continue to buy. We've got 20 FCS now. And so FCS as a brand now is kind of standing on its own. In the beginning, I had to stand on Maruka's shoulders, right? But I know that I'm going to get the service that I need. The service team at Maruka, I think, is second to none, and I've dealt with them all over my 30 years of being in this industry. We have brands that we use for manufacturing that we trust, because we have to be uptime. We're so busy all the time that we have to be up. We cannot be down. Most days when we come in, all 20 machines are running. So our conveyors, our hopper dryers, our injection molding equipment, our CNCs are all brands that I trust are going to keep us, in business.